Dave from One Man Fish here. What you saw back there and what you see back there is one of my newest, largest snap racks. It's 27 by 27 by 16 inches tall, like 257 placements for 1 cube tank. So this is the assembly video for that snap rack. Alright, what I have here is all the parts needed to put the snap rack together. They're all laser cut by me, designed custom for you. What you get with this rack, 3 plates that are the same. One plate's a little bit wider, and as you can see, this is made to cut around corner overflow. That's the top plate. We have all the braces needed to assemble the rack, and we have all the legs. Now normally the first thing you're going to want to do is peel off all the protective paper that's on all this. These braces and these legs are all clear. These plates, the customer wanted them to be black, so they are. The reason why I leave the paper on is to make sure that you get a quality product with no scratches in it. There is 3 long legs to this rack, and then 1 shorter leg. Basically just the back part is cut off because of the overflow. Now the middle leg of the 3 long ones, there's a larger hole right here in the back. We assemble this one is just like normal in some of my other videos I've shown. All you do is give it a little squeeze before you put it into the slots. Start from the back, go to the middle one, give it a little squeeze, make sure it's all the way in. The next one in, the first one in. There is 4 braces per pair, and there's 2 pairs. So this one, which is the middle of the 3 long ones, you want to put the back one in this big area first. Then work your way up. That's 1 pair. Next is the other pair. We'll go with this one. Start in the back, work our way up. We put its mate, which is the longer one, which is one of the longer ones with a small hole in the back. Squeeze, push in. Squeeze and push in. Squeeze and push in. Make sure they're all together. There. Now you have part 2. Now with the back brace back here, make sure it's pulled forward or pushed back all the way so you have room to put this one in. And then you just slide this one over, snap it in. That holds the back together. That holds this leg from, you can't see. All right, this brace holds this leg so it doesn't spread out a little bit. There's no brace holding this leg, but this leg is needed for the top plate because the top plate is a lot shorter. Let's grab the bottom plate and work our way up. You want to line up all your holes, all 4 holes. You want to line up. There's one here, 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 and here. Line them up in the back, and then you just squeeze the front legs, and it should just snap into place. Same thing. Make sure you line up all 4 holes across the back. Make sure you get the front ones lined up. Give a little squeeze right here. Push it down. Second from the top. Same thing. Make sure everything is lined up. This one fits a little snugger. There. Nice and tight. Since we're getting up a little taller, I decided to make that one a lot tighter. And then the top plate. line it up with all 3 holes in the back, and then line up your 3 holes in the front. There, once all the holes are all lined up, snaps right in. Now, when you want to pick up this snap rack and put it into your tank, your best place to pick it up is right underneath here. So you grab this little frame underneath here, grab here, and pick it up this way, and then grab it on both sides, picks up. Because it is such a large rack, it's the best place for you to pick it up. Best thing about snap racks is if you break anything, give me a holler, I'm able to replace them. What other frag rack out there can you do that with? These are some big racks for some hopefully big coral that will be on display at this store. Now, if you would like to have custom snap racks designed by us, One Mad Fish, give me a holler at dave@onemadfish.com and I'll reply as soon as I'm able to, and we'll work out a price and size of the snap racks that you would like. I appreciate you for watching this assembly video, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.